Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now, this is a very exciting video from the Coast Guard. This happened in the San Juan Islands on February 3rd of 2025. A 31-foot sailing vessel lost power and was in danger of going up on the rocks. A Coast Guard vessel was dispatched to the area and they were able to retrieve the people off the vessel, and then they were helicoptered back to safety. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the most exciting videos I've seen in a long time. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, and bravo Zulu to the Coast Guard.